Good afternoon and welcome to the Yorkshire Gardeners vlog for today. I'm down here on the allotment in my new hoodie, the Yorkshire Gardener. Hopefully I'll not get too muddy or dirty. I've got quite a bit to do today. I'm going to be planting up my strawberry plants, which desperately need to go out now, get them into the ground, and hopefully maybe paint up some other beds, but we'll see how we stretch for time today. I've got about 4 or 5 hours down here, so we'll see how we crack on. Let's get gardening. I've got all these strawberries ready to plant out into the ground. Those were the potatoes what I put for chitting. No signs of life yet. Hopefully they'll come on soon. Oh, in fact, one has started. Look at that. That's what I meant about the eyes being up, so that the roots can come out. So yeah, hopefully more will start to form soon. So I've got one bed with all the strawberry plants in. Hopefully they'll all take. If they don't, I can always replace them. I've plenty left to plant. So on to the next bed, and then the next bed after that. So yes, let's get going. I've got all my strawberry beds planted, as you can see. Now I've just got to keep them watered and get them settled in so that they root into the ground, and hopefully I'll get a few strawberries this year. There won't be that many because it takes about a year to establish, so I might just get a few, but we'll see how we get on. So next job will be to tidy up in front of these beds, get some pathway down and some more beds. I've left gaps in between at the front of each strawberry bed, as that's where I'm going to grow flowers. I did it last year and it looked brilliant, so I'm doing it again. So yeah, just got to finish painting a few up and then these beds are done. Hopefully I'll get it all done this week. Stay tuned. So thank you for watching today's vlog. 5 hours I've spent down here planting strawberries. I've still got loads left to plant. I know a space where I'm going to put them all, so I've possibly got about another 100 left to plant. So hopefully I will have a good produce next year on my plot. Like I said, it takes about a year for them to establish, so I'll probably get some this year, but not the abundance what I'll probably get next year. Thank you for all the comments about my jumper. I do love it. Hopefully I'll be able to get some on sale soon, and possibly one with a lady on it as well. So I know quite a few of you have been asking for a lady on it for yourselves, so I need to get that whipped up and designed. Stay tuned this week. There's going to be a lot of how-to videos getting published on my YouTube channel. If you've not subscribed, please click that subscribe button. It means the world to me if you click that subscribe button. You'll get notified when new videos get posted, and also you're helping me to build my audience. So thank you for watching today's vlog and keep gardening.